Hello, this is David at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a newly listed 2022 210 Sunliner. It's a tri-tune boat. It's got a Mercury 115 Pro XS, the right engine for the boat. This is Lake Mohawk approved if you're up here locally. Sunliner has a factory dock lights. It's got the woven carpet, in-floor storage, the upgraded interior with armrests. It's got the upgraded sound system, bimini top, lockable glove box, high back chair. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'll show you the boat.